Behemoth as a noun. Something enormous, especially a large and powerful organization. Giant, colossus, leviathan, monster. Antonym dwarf, miniature, spectrophile. The company became a behemoth in the tech industry within a decade. Despot as a noun. A ruler who holds absolute power, especially one who uses it cruelly. Tyrant, dictator, autocrat, oppressor. Democrat, liberator, reformer, elected leader. The deposit silence, criticized the rule, critics, and ruled the nation through fear. Epoch as a noun. A particular period of time in history or a person's life marked by important events. Era, age, period, phase. Antonym, moment, instant, split second, flash. The invention of the internet began a new epoch in human communication. Facade as a noun. The front of a building or an outward appearance that hides the true situation. Front, exterior, mask, cover. Antonym, reality, truth, genuineness, openness. Example, behind his friendly facade, he was deeply insecure. Genesis as a noun. The origin or beginning of something. Origin, beginning, birth, creation. Antonym, end, conclusion, finish, termination. The genesis of the movement can be traced back to student protest. Insurrection as a noun. A violent uprising against an authority or government. Rebellion, revolt, uprising, mutiny. Antonym, obedience, submission, compliance, peace. Example, the army was deployed to suppress the insurrection in the capital. Legacy as a noun. Something handed down from the past, especially an inherited prosperity or a lasting impact left by someone. Inheritance, heritage, bequest, tradition. Antonym, loss, disinheritance, oblivion, forgetfulness. Example, her legacy lives on through the schools she built for poor children. Mirage as a noun. An optical illusion, especially in a desert or something that seems real but is not. Illusion, delusion, hallucination, apparition. Antonym, reality, truth, fact, certainty. The water in the distance turned out to be a mirage. Oxymoron as a noun. A figure of speech in which two opposite or contradictory words are used together. Paradox, contradiction, incongruity, self contradiction. Antonym, consistency, harmony, coherence, agreement. Example, deafening silence is a common oxymoron. Progeny as a noun. A person's children or descendants. Offsprings. Offspring, descendants, heirs, children. Antonym, ancestors, forefathers, predecessors, parents. The king had no progeny to inherit the throne. Crubile as a noun. Draconian as an adjective. Trajectory as a noun. Ultimatum as a noun. Luminous as an adjective. Monolith as a noun. Verdict as a noun. Ingenious as an adjective. Cryptic as an adjective. Criterion as a noun. Thank you so much for this.